Mag-unbox tayo ngayon. Ito pala yung binili ko. Mga words of affirmation. Para you always remind that you can do everything you want to do in life. What is this? The moment you want to quit is the moment you need to keep pushing. Mashallah. Be the energy you want to attract. Shine like the stars. Say yes to new adventure. Ah, it's cute! Timo-timo lang to. And then this one also. Reminder, don't let anyone ever dull your sparkle. Don't be so hard on yourself. Okay, so. Tapos ito din. Dalawang case na kasama ko sa trabaho. Case. Yun lang. Worth 132.